Today we will discuss about the instrumentation of the thermogravimetry. As the principle of the thermogravimetry, the sample weight we continuously measures as being heating at a constant temperature. So the components of the thermogravimetries are recording balance, furnace, sample container, furnace temperature container, and recorded. So we kept our sample in a sample container. Different type of the sample containers are made up of the different materials. Then there is a balance, recording balance, and temperature sensors. Then balance control, then furnace temperature control, then atmosphere control, and recorder. So here is the flow diagram of the thermogravimetric instrument. So first is the balance. Balance, it is the most of the important components, and it is the meet the following characteristics. First, accuracy, sensitivity, reproducibility. Accuracy refers to closeness of measured value. Example, when we weigh 3 milligram of sample, balance show 2.9 milligram or 3.1 milligram. It's nearer to actual weight of sample. It is known as accuracy. Second, sensitivity shows the small changes. Means when a sample 0.1 micrograms measures 6-digit decimal up to measure 0.00000019. And next is the reproducibility. The instrument ability to deliver or shown same weight reading for a given sample. When we weigh 50 milligram of samples on 10 times, it show 50 milligram after 10 times. This is the reproducibility. Next is the automatic weight adjustment. Third is the high degree of the mechanical and electrical stability. Next, the rapid response to weight change. And next, unaffected by vibration. Next, simple for operation. The balance are two type, deflection balance and null type balance. So the deflection balance are the first beam type. In this type, there is a beam. The balance occur the conversion of beam deflected about fulcrum into suitable identified weight change curve by photographic recorded trace. Recorded signals generated by suitable displacement measuring transducer or curves electromechanically. Here it is the shown by beam, and beam it is attached to fulcrums, and when a weight change, the deflection of beams is seen. Next is the helical type or a spring type. In the helical or spring type, it occurs elongation or the contraction of spring with a weight change. Contraction of the spring with a weight change. The change length of spring recorded by transducer. Next, the cantilever beam. The one end of beam is fixed and other end on the sample it is free to undergo deflection. This one end is fixed and other end is free. So next is the torsion wire. When a beam is attached to taut wire, which is act as a fulcrum, the wire is firmly fixed at both ends. So the deflection of beam are proportional to the weight change. Next is the null point balance. So in the null point balance, here is the beam, and here the beam, the center, these balance are rapid importance in thermogravimetry sensors to detect the deviation of balance beam from its null position. As a weight loading is applied to the beam to restore its null position from horizontal or vertical form. Restoring force is proportional to weight change and force is directly recorded. This is the null balance. So next point over it is the sample holder or sample container or our crucible. So material making sample holders are, so as a different material we analyze, the different sample holder materials are used. Suppose sample holders are glass, quartz, alumina, stainless steel, platinum, graphite. Sample holders are 4 in type. The sample holders are volume up to 40 microliters to 500 microliters. The first is the shallow pan sample holder. This is the when some polymers we analyze, we use the shallow pan sample holders. When the polymers we analyze, the polymers are, it is volatile and it is attached to the surface of the pan. So when under completion of our analysis, so we easily remove the polymer. So we use the shallow pan. Second is the deep crucible sample holder. This is used as the industrial scale for the calculation purposes. Next is the loosely covered crucible. Next is the report cup. This is used the boiling point studies, report cup. Next, the main importance of thermogravimetric components are furnace. The choice of furnace elements and type of furnace depends on temperature range we studied. For 1011 degrees Celsius, the furnace materials are made up by nicochrome, means nickel and chromium. When we studied 1100 to 1500 degrees Celsius, we use the platinum or alloy of the platinum and rhodium metals. The temperature about 150 degrees Celsius, we use the tungsten or molybdenum. So heating rates our furnace are 0.1 degrees Celsius per minute to 100 degrees Celsius per minute or 200 degrees Celsius per minute. The insulation and cooling exterior of furnace to avoid heat transfer to balance. This is the main importance in furnace. We insulate the furnace to avoid our heat exterior to furnace. The internal atmosphere, for control for internal atmosphere, we use the nitrogen or argon gas. It is usually used to purge the furnace and prevent the oxidation of the sample. Next, mainly important parts are temperature measurement. Temperature recorded in thermogram is ideally actual temperature of the samples. The temperature obtained are by immersing a small thermocouple directly in the samples. Such procedures are not used in many times because decomposition of samples and contamination of the sample. So here the thermocouple is directly inserted in the samples. So here is our sample holder and sample thermocouple is directly inserted in the samples. Next, so weighing error is in thermocouples. Next is that this problem are recorded temperature generally measures with a small thermocouple located are close to temperature. So for avoid these problems, we use the thermocouple located as a close to as a sample container. Here this is the thermocouples located as a nearer to the sample container. So next is the recorder. XY recorder mainly used. We get curve having plotting weight against temperature. So this is all about the instruments or components of the thermogravimetry or thermocouple.